In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine files in Adobe Acrobat DC. Before we start, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat DC installed and that the documents you want to work with are saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder. Combining files is helpful when you want to deliver one clean PDF instead of several separate attachments, and Acrobat DC makes this straightforward. Begin by opening one of the files in Adobe Acrobat DC. Launch the application, then open a document you want to include in the final PDF. Starting from a file gets you into the right workspace quickly, and it gives you a visual reference so you can confirm you're editing the correct content. Take a second to check that the file opens correctly and that it looks the way you expect. If the document requires any quick fixes, it's easier to catch them now than after you've built your combined PDF. Next, look to the top area of the window and click Edit. This is the menu that runs along the upper toolbar. The Edit menu groups tools you use to modify documents and access common actions. If your window is small, some options may be tucked into a drop-down, so maximize the window if you don't immediately see what you need. Using the Edit menu ensures you're working from Acrobat's native tools rather than a shortcut that might vary by version. Now, click on Combine Files and select the file. This opens the Combine Files workspace, where Acrobat prepares to gather multiple items into one PDF. When you select the file, choose the additional document or documents you want to add to the PDF you already have open. You can select a single file or multiple files at once, and Acrobat supports a variety of formats, including PDFs, images, and common Office documents. Pay attention to the order of the files you pick so the final PDF flows logically. If you're working with very large files or lots of images, give Acrobat a moment to process. That's normal. Clear, consistent file names can make selection faster and reduce mistakes. A few quick tips as you go. Keep your source files finalized before combining to avoid rebuilding the PDF later. If your files include pages of different sizes, that's okay. Acrobat will preserve them. But it's smart to review the combined result for formatting consistency. If you don't see the Combine Files option under Edit, double-check that you're using Acrobat DC and that the application is up to date, as menu layouts can change slightly between versions. And that's it. You opened a file, went to the Edit menu at the top, and used Combine Files to select the documents you want in one polished PDF.